Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Quality Inn. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Quality Inn Hotel is located off US Highway 12 in Lewiston, Idaho. Nearby attractions include Bryden Canyon Public Golf Course, jet boat tours of Hell's Canyon National Recreation Area, and Hell's Gate State Park. Popular activities include fishing, boating, rafting and swimming. Explore Nez Perce heritage at the Nez Perce National Historical Park, located less than 10 miles from this Lewiston, Idaho hotel. Lewis Clark State College is just 3 miles away. Several fast food and full-service restaurants are located within walking distance of the hotel. A short drive will take visitors to Restaurant Row, where guests can enjoy seafood, steaks, buffets, Italian and Chinese cuisine, and other exciting food options. The free hot breakfast features eggs, meat, yogurt, fresh fruit, cereal and more, including waffles. A free weekday newspaper and free coffee are also provided. Guests can enjoy the indoor heated pool and hot tub. This Lewiston, Idaho hotel provides business travelers with free wireless high-speed internet access and voicemail in all rooms. Conveniences like a business center, copy and fax machine access and a meeting room that accommodates up to 15 people are also available. All rooms have cable television. Suites also have sitting areas with sofa sleepers, microwaves, refrigerators and a desk or table to make each stay more convenient. A newsstand, laundry facilities and valet cleaning services are available for guest convenience. This is a pet-friendly hotel. A small nightly fee is required. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.